We have something special rolling into town today. The Kansas City Southern 1776 specially painted engine for America's 250th birthday. I already have tears. She is absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh. Better give this one a wave, Christian. Beautiful. I don't know. We have a whole bunch of people out here. Christian and I have been here since 12:30 waiting for this train, and it's about 3:30 right now. Sunshine. I had no idea that we got to see this today until this morning. I was hoping for something really awesome to happen with trains this weekend, and can't really top that unless it's a big boy, but our train friend Trish from eastern Wisconsin has chased this train all the way over here today. I hope she gets to get her photos of it going across the Black River Bridge. Yeah? Hi! Hello! Our train friend Scott made it here!
Hi, Scott.
So beautiful! I'm glad you got to see it. You got to see it 3 times? I see. We've been here since 12:30. You know spots, yeah, of course. Looks like it's gonna be stopping.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm gonna end my video. I got the most important part. It's that way. But if anything else interesting happens, I will record again. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.